Well, I'm back to take my Jazzmaster apart. Again, for customizing, I do quite a few of these, sort of more and more. It's December, right? Or yeah, it's December, getting late. End of November, I can't remember. So, loosen off your strings. This is another one that was lightly played by somebody and then sat collecting dust. These are the ones I love to buy. Little damage on this one, but that's something I can easily fill and is going to be printed over. Even if I don't fill it, you wouldn't really be able to see it. You can barely feel it. So. Okay, tremolo coming off next. These I enjoy taking them apart a lot more than Strats or Telecasters because everything's in the pick guard. So just makes it simpler for me. Label your parts, make your life easier. Don't use stubby little screwdrivers for this. Use the longest screwdriver you can reasonably use. And if you turn those saddles sideways, you can then get to the hidden fifth screw without fucking with your intonation. And another one with the ground wire just stuck in there. I guess it works. So I may go changing this out to a transparent pick guard and then print on the back of that pick guard. Will all depend on the price of those. I need to get my CNC router set up and working because then I can cut my own pick guards. Finally, I've been saying this for a while, but it's going to really help me get these things moving. Be doing my own bodies, doing my own pick guards, you name it. And that is why I love Jazzmasters. Look at that. Oh. Guess I forgot to put that on. And these are just sitting there. I thought they'd be pressed in a little tighter than that, but that works for me. Gotta love people that buy them, don't touch them, and sell them to me for cheap. So there you go. For your Jazzmaster, the only thing you need to disassemble it if you want to custom paint the body like I'm going to be doing. Well, custom print the body. Phillips screwdriver and something to push those pieces out with. And then here we're laughing. Another one into the drawer. I've got quite a few project guitars right now. This is the one that has been printed on. That was a butterscotch telly. So that one's going to get a clear pick guard as well. So yeah, I'll show you guys this one when it's back together. I never took any videos of printing it and clear coating it and that. Or stripping it for that matter, but that's how she looks. And since these are Squires, I am going to be cleaning up the frets. So when somebody comes to, I spend some time on them, and to me, it makes a huge difference. I'm not a great player on any guitar. You can give me a Les Paul that's worth tens of thousands of dollars and I still kind of suck, but I do enjoy the mechanics of it, customizing them, and hey, I make a few bucks off them as well. So all right, I'll be back once I've got these things. You know what, I'm going to try to do a video of printing these, and also on the neck plate I'm going to be doing some lasering, so we'll see how those go.